Good morning. Here we are for Saturday morning's workout. It is a ab burner routine. So that's what we've been doing for the last few months is the ab burner routine. We have increased our intervals from starting at 30 seconds, and today we are increasing from 50 to 55 seconds. So a few months ago, like I said, we started out at 30 seconds. We cut it back from a minute to 30 seconds to make it manageable and something I could finish. And every few weeks or every 3 or 4 weeks, we would add 5 seconds. So now we're at 55 seconds. And since 45 seconds, it's kind of been not when it's too easy and we have to add seconds. It's kind of like, you're not getting easy at this point. It's just a workout. So while last week was intense, there's a lot of moves that just aren't really getting a lot of work. So we're gonna force ourselves through 55 seconds and probably shortly 2 or 3 weeks at that, and then we'll probably hit the minute mark. So that's my thought. But anyway, we're gonna hit this ab routine. It's 15 and 55 second moves, and there's no rest in between the moves, so they're all continuous. And once it's a minute, it takes 15 minutes, 55 seconds, whatever 5 seconds times 15 is, 45 seconds less than a minute, so a minute, and so minute. So not 15 minutes, but 14 minutes and 15 seconds. I think that's what today will be. So anyway, we're gonna get her done and finish what we can finish. If there's moves we can't, we can't, and we'll just keep on and pushing at 55 seconds till we get them all done. But I think we'll be able to do them all. The main ones that give the intensity are the 100. That one last week I had a hard time keeping it up for 50 seconds. I mean, it was intense, but I was able to do it. And then the lower lift, and those both we were able to finish last week. So hopefully we'll be able to push it for an extra 5 seconds today. So anyway, here we go. Let's hit the ab burner, go out on a jog. Not sure if I'll jog. My left knee's a little bit kind of wonky, and I mow today. So I'll expend a lot of energy mowing today, so which is good. I've got a rider, but I also weed eat, and the weed eat, we got a big yard. It's more than an acre, so it takes a while. And I'll be walking around quite a bit doing some weed eating. So we got a jungle out there too. So I'll spend plenty of energy today. So I'm thinking about just walking today because my knee's kind of wonky and a little swollen. Not sure why. Must have tweaked it. The old 55 years old and just don't know what's happening to it. So anyway, but I may jog anyway. I kind of jogged yesterday with the knee like it was. So anyway, I'm getting long-winded. Let's get this done. Get on with the ab routine. Get on out and do something, whether it's walk or jog or walk and jog or just jog. We'll see what happens and come back and chat. Let's hit it. Let's get this longevity training done so we can meet age with grace.
Officially done with week 0 workouts. So finally, on to the meat, folks, on to the meat. How'd the ab burner go at 55 seconds? Honestly, don't think it was a whole lot different than 50 seconds, just a little more time. And my math at the beginning, 5 times, 15 times 5, not 45, 75. So the full routine is 1345, I believe, is what that ends up being. So yeah, not only was my knee wonky, my math was wonky too. So anyway, got the ab burner done. Again, the high intensity were knee circles, but those are at the beginning, very manageable anymore. I mean, they're definitely, compared to 3-4 weeks ago, the knee circles are manageable, and I can, what's different about not struggling with them is that you can actually focus on the work and really hone in on where you're supposed to hone in on the abs and hip flexors for those. So you can get a good rotation. So that's what's better for it. You know, being in better shape there, you can really focus in on the lift itself, or the move in this case. The 100, actually finished those without too much struggle. They were intense, even from the beginning. They were intense from the beginning, but I don't think my legs dropped too much, so I'll have to wait and see what the video looks like. Felt like I held them up pretty good. And then the good old lower lift, you know, legs in the air, lifting the hips off the ground. I think I got 18 of those right as the buzzer went off, you know, to switch. And really want to get 20 on those. That's gonna be my goal, is to try to get 20 in the 55 second, you know, in the next 2-3 weeks. I think I will do this one more week at least and see what that's like, and maybe a week beyond that. So we'll see. Still out of breath from the jog. The jog was good. I talked about my knee being wonky. Didn't impact the jog. It's just a little swollen, so I'm not sure. I must have stepped on it wrong. Or maybe the air squats, maybe I tweaked it a little bit when I was doing air squats, who knows. But the jog was good. Ended up at 11:01 pace, right? Almost at 11. And 2.5 something miles, 2.52 or 3 miles. So same distance, better pace than yesterday. Didn't set out to hit a better pace. I did pick it up in the last half mile, just a tad. Still organic, I would say. The push wasn't so hard that I ran more out of breath, but my respiratory rate and cardio rate did get, I'm interested in seeing what my cardio averages were. I'll actually post those. I typically don't put those on my run, but I'll put those on my jog, the average and high heart rates, and I'll stick those up there. So anyway, feeling pretty good. I mean, a good workout today. Feel good for it. So gonna get in the house, get all this up and do all the morning things, and then we're gonna get the mower ready. That'll be a good hour and a half. Gotta grease it all up and all that kind of good stuff. Put some, make sure the gearbox has oil in it, the deck gearbox. It's a good size mower. It's a big 28 horse, 60 inch cut. So anyway, that's on to a different subject. We'll let you guys go. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks, so you can do things. We'll see you guys on Monday. We'll do the thing. We'll finally hit the weights. We're hitting the new incremental phase where we're increasing the weight and not the reps each week. So we'll stick at 4x8 for each main lift, and each week we'll add more weight. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later. See ya.